Look at all these frogs. Tommy, look at the leopard frog. This is the front yard. It is fully underwater. Oh yeah, we broke the 5-inch mark. 5 inches of rain. Cuffaros. Whew. Oh my goodness, it keeps fogging up. It's so humid out here. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I just started this video randomly because the backyard, it is just finally settled down a little bit for me to get out here and film. It's still currently raining, but look at my pool. That's insane. It is almost full, and it's probably draining because I have a pump down there at the bottom. Is it good? See now? Look at all these frogs. Tommy, look at the leopard frog. There is frogs all in my pool, and this green one right here, this is a leopard frog, I believe. I don't know my frogs too well, but this is a frog on top of a frog's head right there. That is a beautiful, beautiful frog. Typically probably wouldn't see him, but he's just chilling in the pool. Oh my gosh, there's frogs everywhere. There's frogs all in the pond. Oh, there he goes. Oh, they're jumping in everywhere. All right, I won't even bother. I've never seen these frogs before. If you guys know what kind of frog that is, let me know. They're not even bufo frogs. They're like, I don't know. They look different. I'm gonna put him right here. Oh, he doesn't look like he's doing too good. We can go on like a full frog rescue mission, but the water is kind of high enough for them to get up now. But my goodness, it's bad, and the hot tub's full too. I don't want my camera to break, but we're gonna get as much. The pond over here is fully overflowed. Over here has made trenches to where it's just filled in the sidewalks at this point. I'm gonna need to get shovels and get all this pushed back. Look at my enclosures, guys. This is crazy. The water's flowing down, and my entire goat enclosure is underwater, and I'm talking underwater. Yeah, look at you guys. The chicken is even up at the top with them. Are you guys good? Thank gosh we built this on stilts. This is crazy. Look at the backyard. It is fully underwater. That's insane. Thank goodness we built this. Right, goats? We come prepared, buddies. They're all just chilling. Boots! Oh my goodness, that's nuts. All right, fellas, I know this is a different type of video. It's good for the sod I just put down. Like, it's fantastic for the sod. But it was raining the last couple of videos, and it really started to get bad. So this is like its own, like, I gotta show you this. Come here. Gotta go around. Look how filled in. This was rushing water earlier. I'm talking rushing water, which is not good. It's crystal clear, though. Holy smokes. For the Reddit page. Oh, watch out. Oh, yeah. Let's go check on all the animals. So obviously the goats are good. It's bad flooding, of course. It's like 6 inches deep in there. We're gonna go in there in just a second to see exactly how deep it is. We gotta check over here. Hey guys, at least you don't need to do waters, Tommy.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Is everyone good over here? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Whew. Nice. Going in. You guys good back here? I gotta check on my chickens and turkeys. Oh, should have put some boots on. Mango, you good? Turkeys, you're getting big. Oh, it's nice and wet. Finally got a latch over here on the coop. What's up, everyone? Oh, it's so nice and dry in here. You guys are good. You guys are big chilling. And look how big they're getting. Like, the sheer size of these guys is incredible. They're getting very big, very fast, and I think we have a couple males and a couple females. But this is a really good thing. We needed this rain. Our wetlands out in the Everglades was really bad. It was starting to dry out bad, and obviously all the animals out there, the hogs, the deer, the owls, the hawks, everything you can name needs water. Everything needs water. So this is a very good rain that we're having right now on the grand scheme of things. Although we're a little flooded here at the farm, it's great for the other environment here in South Florida. I'm gonna close this chicken coop. If you guys didn't watch the build of this chicken coop, it was such a cool build. We build everything on this channel thought through thoroughly, and it's pretty much my ideas and how I could predict the weather could be one day. We build it to that extent, hence why this was a lower part of the yard, and we ended up, of course, building everything. Both the houses that they have right here are both dry underneath, and of course the main house that would get flooded as it is right now. Imagine a hurricane. This is pretty much that, but up on stilts as well. So we come prepared. We literally build these things to be prepared for this type of weather, which is why I love this entire property. It was built off of all of my mistakes pretty much at the other properties, you know? And when you make mistakes, you learn from them. You build even cooler stuff ready so you don't got to deal with BS. All right, this is, like I said, a much different video than my normal film. But we're just making sure all the animals are good in this flood. So let's come this way. As you can see, these guys don't care. Our 11 pigs over on this side of the yard are loving life. Hello, guys. Look at them all just standing in the water. They're like, we don't care, trust me, we're pigs. We got this all day. And of course, this enclosure is so big that it has different elevations. So up to the right over here is a lot of high land. You can see it stays very dry. Over here goes back up high because we had to build the building. So these guys, no problem. It would take a lot. If not, my house would probably be underwater if this enclosure flooded. Let's go check. Oh, I can't even. Oh, yeah, that's not happening. I can't open the gate. It's blocked by all the dirt that it made. I know, Bubba, you want to come out just as much as I'm trying to get it. Look at you trying to squeeze your way out. Come on, Bubba, get out. Yeah. Freedom at last. He was like proud of that moment. He came through the gate just, yeah. Bubba, what are you booking it for? Like, where are you going? You on a high-speed chase? He's always been this way. Even since my mom and dad's house, he doesn't want to be messed with when he gets out. The other ones cooperate pretty well. Bubba, Bubba was like, yeah, freedom. And now look at him. Bubba, what are you doing? This is the dad, for anyone wondering. This is the dad of most of those pigs over there. All three of the ones up front here. Oh, besides Chunky Monkey. Bubba, where are you going on a mission like this? Like, you're on a mission. Go back that way. Don't fall in the pool. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're slipping and falling already. All right, this is actually becoming serious now. I know you won't turn down a good old bite of food. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Never will. Come on. Yeah. All right, my goodness. Get me out of here. Whew. Oh, thought I made that one. Take a look at these enclosures. These ones are almost underwater too. That's insane, my regular yard. Hey guys, looks like you're staying dry. We built this house over here for them. Look at this backyard. All this is underwater other than what we built up here for their house. And then they have their feeding slab that stays dry, but this is all underwater. Babe, how you doing over here all alone? You doing good? Huh? Yeah. She's like, yep. Look at her enclosure. Now her house is the only one that is actually low enough to get water in it, but that's why we built this overhang here for her. So she looks like she's still good. It's like right up to the bottom of it, but look at the flooding back here too. This stays a little bit higher. Oh my gosh. Look at the front yard, Tommy. We haven't even been outside. It's been raining all day long. Oh yeah, dude. This is the front yard. That's crazy. We could have fish in the front yard if we wanted. Should we go release some fish in there? We got some fish. Let's go check on the backyard pond. I know these plants needed it. Look at them. They're like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Dirt all washed down and it won't allow me to close this gate anymore. Wow, that's actually crazy how much it rained. This pond is completely full. Look how big the plants are getting on the sides. It's nuts. As you can see, a lot of pine leaves. But I'm sure the turtles are like, yes. It's a good sign that this thing is full to the brim of water. It's getting really dry. Obviously, y'all have seen updates. Everything in the building is good. I have the lights off in the reef tank, but that's good. All the fish in the predatory saltwater, they're good as well. It stays nice and dry in here. It stays nice and dry, which is always good. Now let's, I just gotta check how deep that goat water is real quick. That is mind-boggling. And I got a measuring tape to do it as well, actually. I don't want to forget that. Look at this. I'm literally going off into water. Now this is probably not good for me to be standing in. It's just a bunch of goat poop and water. Not smart of myself, but we already did it. How deep do you think it is going to be in here? You're gonna get me all dirty, little baby. Little baby literally sacrificed getting wet to come over here and hang out with us. He's literally the best. I'm gonna take a scoop of food with me over there so they can eat it dry. I got you, boys. I'm coming. You don't have to get wet, Boots. You don't have to get wet. King, I'm the three that come up every time. You don't have to get wet, I promise. King, you're pushing me into the water, dude. Jeez.
Oh.
Oh, I made that. I just sank that. Oh my gosh. They will see me make it. Let's see how deep it is over here. Oh my goodness, dude. 3 inches right there. Holy smokes, there's 5 inches of water right there. Look at all the goats eating. What's up, boys? Yo, what are you doing, dude? Look at that butt. King, is that like a good way to eat right there? Like standing like a human? That's pretty solid, if I do say so myself. This is an amazing video because honestly, I never just grabbed the camera and film walking around the farm, and I'm doing exactly that right now. You guys are seeing it raw and real. King, what are you doing, dude? Little baby, you're too short. At least King has the height so he can eat. Like, go up here. Come on, little baby. Look how deep it is right here. 4.5, 4 inches right there. 4 inches there. It's about 4 at the deepest point. I thought I saw 5. That's more 4.5. This has got, oh, this is deep. We're deep right here. Oh yeah, we broke the 5-inch mark. 5 inches of rain. Probably even deeper over here. That's nuts. Look how deep this is. The whole first tire is underwater. house is, oh, that's all goat poop. I gotta get my feet out of this water, man. Chicken, what are you doing? And this is all poop, which stinks because when I actually made this enclosure, I should have thought to put the floors on the inside just like the pallet would, so that poop would go through. Didn't think of that, so now they step on poop for now until I fix it. Right, Oscar? Look at him, dude. What, dude? Yeah, this is not the way they typically eat. All right, Cuffaros, this is just really bad flooding, obviously. Very, very bad flooding. All right, we got one more animal to check on. Wow, even their enclosure is so flooded right now. They've got really, really heavy trees over there. So even during the rain, it barely gets through all those trees. Although we have plans to make them an actual full shelter. At the moment, they do just have that, and they've been in there for a couple months like that. They love the rain though. They're from Australia. It's usually super, super hot there. And even during the day when it's hot here, we spray them down with the hose. These guys always want to eat though. I've never met animals that just want to eat, eat, eat. It's all they care to do. Thankfully, the bucket was placed in the perfect spot. Their food bin actually got a little water through here. Happens often with these metal containers right there. See the hole? That's where the water goes in. But they've got some food right here. I'll let them eat. Look at these guys. They don't care. Not a care in the world. Not a care in the world that it is raining right now. I'm gonna come in here and see how it's doing. Yeah, lots of flooding. My goodness. Yeah, I mean, everything's flooded. You could walk pretty much through the entire yard, the front yard. At least has an inch of water, 2 inches of water. Like I said, it's a very good thing that this happened for the wetlands out in the Everglades, but it's not great here at the farm. Although my animals, and like I said, we're pretty prepared for anything. Wow, it is quite deep right there, at least 6-7 inches. All right, emus are good. Everything's good. Everything's good. It's flooded, but they're good. Obviously, our cats are over here. Look at you guys, sleeping. The barn over here, that's where the cats stay. They got their food and they live over here in the barn. Look who's sleeping. What are you doing? Sleeping on your this is their his favorite spot to sleep, on this blanket in here. And he is out cold right now. I'd be sleeping too if I could. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be sleeping too. If you guys are interested in more behind the scenes and content that's seen before YouTube sees it, make sure to definitely go check out my Snapchat. I'm posting every single day, pretty much daily on my Snapchat. That's right here on the screen. Floods like this, you'll probably see it before it even touches YouTube. Look at this swell, all the way down. The whole entire street is just full. Whoo! I wish I had a skimboard. We need a skimboard, brother. Thank you all so much for watching. Unfortunately, we're flooding here at the farm and it's still going. So wish us luck. Hopefully the rain slows down. But you know your boy was prepared for the rain. Come on now. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. South Florida is getting swamped right now. It is actually really, really serious over in Fort Lauderdale, Miami area. They're like underwater, some houses and stuff. So God bless to everyone that is over there. Might be going through a lot tougher times than us here at the farm. Thankfully, we prepared for the worst and we're getting dang near the worst, other than like a Cat 5 hurricane, which the season's coming around the corner. God bless everyone, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.